Chapter 4, Section 2, Reading. So in this section, we're talking about how the amendments to the Bill of Rights end slavery and give more people the right to vote. Awesome! So you guys should already know about the fact that a written change to the Constitution is called an amendment. That is the super cool part about the governing document of our land, guys. It is changeable, and that's what's really helped it endure the test of time. So today what we're talking about are some more amendments that occur to further give others rights. Because when we first started out as a nation, not everybody had the same rights. So, some terms to remember. Civil rights. These are the rights guaranteed to each and every United States citizen. We have suffrage, or as I like to call it, suffrage, which is the right to vote. And we also have poll tax, which is a special tax that has to be paid in order to vote. Spoiler alert, this tax isn't fair. Section 2, Guaranteeing Other Rights. The United States Constitution and the Bill of Rights lay the foundation for civil rights. These are the basic freedoms guaranteed to every United States citizen. Early in our country's history, the job of protecting civil rights belonged to the states. After the Civil War, new amendments to the Bill of Rights would increase and extend the freedoms promised to Americans. In 1863, in the midst of the United States Civil War, President Abraham Lincoln issued the Emancipation Proclamation, an order that banned slavery in Confederate states. 2 years later, in 1865, the country ratified the 13th Amendment. This made slavery illegal in every state and land governed by the USA. In 1868, the 14th Amendment granted full citizenship to African Americans. It strengthened rights found in the Fifth Amendment and guaranteed every citizen within a state equal protection under the law. Many of the most recent amendments have expanded voting rights for citizens. The right to vote is called suffrage. The original Constitution did not mention voting rights, so many states first granted them only to white men who owned land. Between 1870 and 1971, 6 more amendments came that gave many more United States citizens the right to vote. The 15th Amendment states that race or skin color cannot prevent a man from voting. Even so, many states found ways, including violence, to keep African American people from voting. Later, in the 1960s, Congress passed stronger laws protecting the voting rights of African Americans. The 17th Amendment allows people to vote directly for their state senator. Before that, the senators were selected by the state legislature. Passed in 1920, after many years of struggle by women's rights activists, the 19th Amendment gives all United States women the right to vote. Some states had already allowed women to vote. The 23rd Amendment gives residents of Washington, D.C. the right to vote for president and vice president. The 24th Amendment prevents states from charging a poll tax, a fee that made it hard for poor people to register to vote. The 26th Amendment lowered the age requirement for voters to 18, the age at which Americans became old enough to fight in a war.